What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. Josh has got his project back, and he actually went and got a Harbor Freight motor, just a little Predator. Got a Hemi. Actually found the right serial number of the 60363.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, hunted for it. And man, we're actually going to replace mine. This is my engine that we used it to mock it up. It doesn't have a carburetor on it. It doesn't run right now, obviously, because it doesn't have a carb. So we'll take that off. We'll get this one on there. We'll put some oil in it and get it running. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna switch that over, and then he will have to go run and get some chain real quick and get some gas so we can get it started up. And then we'll get the throttle hooked up and everything going. So we're gonna jump right into the time lapse, and hopefully we get some driving today.
Woo!
Alright guys, doing a little update. I'm just chilling on the golf cart while they're working. So I bashed in my face yesterday boating, so that's fine. So Keith's gonna get his bike out. We're gonna try to tune it today, but Keith, you gotta tune it while it's warm. So Keith's gonna get his bike out, get it all nice and warmed up for us, and then we'll play with the idle and the mixture screw. We're probably gonna end up having to jet it down, because it's a 110 carburetor on a, is that a 3-horse Briggs?
I think so. From possibly the 60s.
Yeah, I think it's a 3-horse Briggs, maybe a 5-horse.
Yeah, no clue.
It looks like maybe a 5-horse Briggs to me right here. But it's definitely going to run a lot weirder just because the exhaust is how it is. Just because the moron who freaking put it on decided to put a gas pipe fitting on it and make the valve size way small. So we need to fix that so it actually run properly. And yeah, but Keith's gonna get it warmed up. We're just gonna see how we can get it tuned right now, and then we'll definitely make modifications like that a little later. And then Josh is over there still. He just barely came back. He had to go get his grinder so he can get off the key way for the clutch, and he had to go grab some chains. So he's got all that now, and he's got some gas, so he can get that all done. So he's got to get the chain on, get that tensioned, and I think he got the clutch bolted on, right? Yep. Okay, he's got the clutch bolted on, and then he's going to have to figure out throttle, how he's going to hook up the throttle cable to the engine, and then he will be good to go rip. And then hopefully by then we can get Keith's bike all tuned and good to go, and we'll go for a little bit of a ride. Alright guys, we're going to be doing the first startup. Finally got the throttle on. The camera did die, so it's inside charging. Thank goodness for shop lights. Freaking huge upgrade. If you haven't seen that video, go in the description / just go to my channel. Alright, let's see if we can do it on the first pull.
No choke?
No choke.
Oh yeah.
Sounds like a dream. Kill switch work?
Nope.
Use the normal one. Mine doesn't run through the frame at all. Mine grounds straight to the motor.
Okay. I don't know about you, but it sounds like riding time.
Yeah, let's go down to the street and get it riding. Alright, we got safety first. Getting the helmet on for the first ride. Let's see if we can get it back to starting on the first pull. And we said screw it to the kill switch. We're gonna wire it straight to the engine like how I normally do it and how I've done it on my previous videos. I think you guys have seen that. I don't remember if I did it, but if not, Redbeard's Garage does a great video for it, so go watch theirs if you want to do that. But yeah. And he's flying. Did he just throw a chain?
I don't know what he just did.
That's what it kind of sounded like.
He might have threw a rock too.
It's a possibility. Is he turning around right there? Yeah, he's turning around right there. Ah, Keith got right in the way.
Sorry. Oh yeah.
How do you like it?
Freaking fast.
Yeah, and you need a torque converter on that sumbitch.
Oh yeah. It needs a chain guard.
Chain guard? Well, if you put a torque converter on it, then it comes with a chain guard.
Yep.
And it seems like your launch is really, really slow. And a torque converter is going to make that hecka fast.
Woo! Do willies.
I don't think it'll do wheelies with that kind of gearing.
No.
You mind if Keith gives it a little ride real quick tonight? Alright guys, Keith's going to give it a little whirl tonight. Oh, and we didn't do it on film, but we did get Keith's bike tuned. And we rode that quite a bit. We did end up running out of gas, so that's why we're not riding them together. But that will be in a future video.
It needs work on the turning.
While turning, you mostly lean. Jerks.
It wobbles.
Sounded like then it might need bushings in the steering tube.
It might need it.
Keith's probably gonna take it on the main road. Oh, never mind, he flipped around right there.
See how it's wobbling?
But this way, there's definitely no one that's gonna... How's the brakes?
Brakes are good. Yeah, they're better than mine. Torque converter on this thing is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be rowdy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm going fast ahead.
Alright. So that's pretty much today's video. It's getting definitely really dark now. You can tell a huge difference from riding it earlier. Both of them enjoyed it. I'll probably get some riding time on it a little later. He's actually gonna go for a high-speed run real quick, but that will probably do that on a separate video. But if you enjoyed today's video, we're gonna hopefully be getting more cool content with doing work and riding and doing other stuff from that. So yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.